Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Cameron Arrow Productions coming at you with another video. And today, I'm washing my Mustang. You know, it's right there. It's not like the coolest Mustang, but it's kind of dirty and it's mine. So I'm gonna wash it. And since quarantine started, I haven't really been driving much because no school and I'm jobless. So this is my only job, technically. But yeah, it doesn't pay yet, so. So yeah, we're just gonna wash the Mustang because she's kind of dirty. And hopefully she gets clean. Oh, exposure. Hopefully it looks nice and we get her done. So cue the B-roll. So guys, what I just did, that little B-roll segment, I just watered it down and it already looks 100% better. Because it was covered in leaves and like bird poop and stuff. Now it's not. So yeah, it looks so much better now. Look, I haven't even cleaned it yet, and it looks like it's clean. So yeah. So I'm gonna time lapse the rest of it. So I'll just show you guys the end result. Alright guys, that is all from me. I finished the car-ish. It's too hot to be out here. I'm tired. News updates. I've changed Cameron Arrow _productions to Cameron Arrow .productions. That is now my main account and my only account. So I'm gonna take pictures of my car. If you want to see them, check out the link in the bio. Leads you to my Instagram, Cameron Arrow .productions. On the other hand, guys, we hit 200 subscribers. Let's keep growing. You know, hit that subscribe button. Let's hit 300. You know, let's not stop, non-stop. All right. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. If you guys did enjoy the video, like the video, comment something below, and turn on your post notifications. And yeah, guys, I'm officially a graduate, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Want to see something cool? Look at this. Whoa. This is what the video looks like without this piece of glass. So if I just... Isn't that crazy? ND filters, huh?